ये दूसरा टेस्ट मैच श्रीलंका और भारत के बीच यहाँ कोलंबो में खेला जाएगा। उन्होंने टॉस जीत के कहा हम यहाँ पहले बल्लेबाजी करना चाहेंगे। ये हैं दोनों टीमें। दोनों टीमों में कुछ बदलाव नजर आएंगे आपको। दो बदलाव श्रीलंका ने किए हैं। सरान जैन डेब्यू पे हैं भारत के लिए। कुलदीप यादव की जगह आज उनको खेलने का मौका मिला है।
And the bowlers remains the same. I think Keshav Nuwantha, Prabhat Jayasuriya will be key in Sri Lankan cricket history. But a somber start. One of Sri Lanka's most loved musicians and singers, Nanda Malini, passed away. Debutant, so do India. In fact, if anything, two debutants more.
और ये भारतीय जोड़ी,
It's an Insurance Deco Cup.
क्या भारतीय टीम है?
श्रीलंका
यशस्वी जायसवाल या इन पे नजर रखनी होगी। इनके आंकड़े कमाल के हैं। 7 शतक ये लगा चुके हैं। एक ओपनर के तौर पे 47 के ऊपर की इनकी औसत है। असिता फर्नांडो 93 विकेट अब तक ले चुके हैं। 2 टेस्ट मैचों की ये श्रृंखला है। भारत क्या शुरुआत की है। पहली गेंद और बिल्कुल जड़ में।
जायसवाल ने लास्ट सेकंड में अपना बल्ला वो मिलाप कराया बॉल के साथ, बिल्कुल जड़ पे और कर।
कितनी खूबसूरती से ये शॉट खेला गया है।
The first ball he surprised him, but Jaiswal then setting himself up for the ball swinging in and the fuller one. Now when you see a shot like that, it takes the wind out of you. Good covering of grass, 4 mil they say, rolled in nice and hard.
5 of the first over, 5 in the last.
Bowling over. Round.
लहिरू कुमारा.
He's been special, Mishara. You just mentioned 4 runs. Angelo Matthews presenting Anil Mishara with that number 100. Second test for Keshav Nuwantha. I like that.
गैप, ये कलाकारी है इनमें। गैप किस तरह से ढूंढे जाते हैं, ये यशस्वी जायसवाल को आता है।
So different from the last time I came. It's a beautiful day, blue skies. Hopefully the rain stays away.
ये कलाकारी है इनमें। गैप किस तरह से ढूंढे जाते हैं, ये यशस्वी जायसवाल को आता है।
I think with his numbers, he'll probably bat 1 spot ahead of Sut. "55 matches in his first-class career. Started a long time back. Rich and Central Zone. 24-25 wasn't the.
Am I right? City of selfies.
The setting voter is the cleanest.
Control from Ashwin.
शानदार शॉट के साथ 4 मिलेंगे। केएल राहुल को खाता भी खोल लिया।
इस तरह से आप गेंदबाज की मानसिकता से खेलते हैं। इस तरह से सब्र का फल हमेशा मीठा रहता है।
Taps his hand as if to say missing leg.
About Jayasuriya and Lahiru Kumar. Lahiru Kumar has played 37.
2025, average of 30 since 2025. See the averages. Look at the start that he had. 20.
इस प्रकार के शॉट, वही गैप मिला है। बेहतरीन कवर ड्राइव यशस्वी जायसवाल का। पहले ही गेंद पर ये चौका, जबरदस्त।
लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिनर, उनके सामने बल्लेबाजी करना पसंद करते हैं यशस्वी जायसवाल।
Well, this is, if you look at his action.
And the thing to like about Jaiswal when he plays these shots, that these are big drives. He never sort of just pushes it.
Oh, beautiful. कदमों का इस्तेमाल, पॉजिटिव इंटेंट, लवली।
पिच तक पहुंच गए थे और बिल्कुल कोई टर्न नहीं और सामने की तरफ अच्छा निर्णय।
Instincts taking over for Keshav. Very clear plan that is.
Nice use of the feet. All the way for 6. Just 3 meters down the track. Easy. Easy peasy.
Sticks with.
Yeah, that is better. That's what you're looking for if you look at the follow.
और कंट्रोल शॉट, मच बेटर, फ्रंट टू स्क्वायर। ये बहुत ही इंप्रेसिव शॉट खेला है केएल राहुल ने,
और अग्रेसिव अंदाज में आज नजर आ रहे हैं अभी केएल राहुल।
He is a natural puller. This is what you get with KL.
Now when you see a shot like that, it takes the wind out of you.
बाहरी किनारा, मोटा बाहरी किनारा लगा है यहाँ पे। बॉल थोड़ी क्लाइंब कर रही थी, स्क्वायर कट करने का प्रयास और पहला झटका लग चुका है।
ये गेंद थोड़ी की
Yeah, very important one. His eyes lit up for sure. Maybe a touch full. I don't know. The edge. And on this surface, this scalp is priceless.
केएल राहुल 18 रन बनाकर आउट, और भारत का जो स्कोर है वो 37 पे 1।
न्यू स्टार देवदत्त पाडिक्कल, पिछले मैच की पहली पारी में बहुत बड़ा शतक लगाया था देवदत्त पाडिक्कल ने। सिर्फ 4 मैचेस खेले हैं, उसमें एक शतक शामिल है।
Just looking to bowl wicket to wicket, both for variety at the moment. He's done well. 38 for 1.
And you would have looked at that card and said, how good would... He'll be sitting there at backward point thinking, I should have held on to that. Little fuller. And the sweep unfurled here. Beautifully. Right. Angelo, we're going to popular with the players. I like something he said. He said, as a coach before Gary started his career and was still playing after Gary was a coach, short points. So we got a first slip, maybe a fourth, and a point. This is very impressive young off spinner. Wide of the fielder. It's very 43. Still young, as Angelo will tell you, as a tell.
but माहौल on field बिल्कुल गर्म.
Inside. You don't want to see it's getting close.
It's been a good session, a good battle. Lanka's point of view, try to get another one.
Only operating with one slip and gully. Oh, that's better. Beautiful line and even better length by Asita Fernando.
Immediately all my focus went back at 5 and be that front line spin if they...
Nicely bowled. Beautiful length by Prabhat.
Search for that wicket or breakthrough. One more. That's what's...
Women's national team on a camp in Sri Lanka in preparation.
We can whip it through. The bowler was getting on top of him, but he's got an answer.
For the first time in the day, he's going to be spin from both the ends. Oh, outside edge, but straight to the ground though. Should be a good chase by Prabhat Jaisun. I think he will get...
Fielder. Very unlucky.
So different from the last time I came. It's a beautiful day, blue skies. Hopefully the rain stays away.
Padikkal and Shubman Gill at the crease for India.
What's on offer? Well, what's on offer was a lot.
And with his daughter, there was a short delivery. Timed it superbly and most importantly, found the gap perfectly. He knows that was a poor delivery. 4 bowlers used by Sri Lanka, Asita Fernando and Lairu Kumar, the 2 seamers, picked up a wicket.
Jayasuriya and Kesara Nuwanta also bowling 11 overs. Good effort. Going with the arm.
Misjudgment. He knows it, that he relies heavily on back foot play, but that ball was full. He saw the flat trajectory and does happen to bat at the moment that they see a flat trajectory.
Punched and nicely done. Just picking the length well.
Exactly the kind of shot on, very often push shot. This is with a straight bat. He does that against the seam bowlers as well. So it's his own kind of invention that he played with the same bowler before lunch. This is not your normal pull shot.
Was started by the British, I believe. NCC was also. And the Sinhalese Sports Club.
Nicely played. एक ग्रेट खिलाड़ी की यही खासियत होती है, जो आप तकलीफ ऑफर करें उसका एक नया तरीका आजाद करते हैं.
So different from the last time I came. It's It's a beautiful day, blue skies. Hopefully the rain stays away.
It far from him and seemed like he had it in control. This ground is the pace of the outfield. The ball is travelling.
आउटसाइड एज यहाँ पर शुभमन गिल के बल्ले से 4 रन मिल जाएंगे उनको। गेंद सीधी रह गई, उसी की वजह से वहाँ पर स्लिप और पॉइंट के बीच में ये गेंद गई थी।
One big difference between the two.
Slipping down the leg side, could be a bit of bounce.
I think that he may have got a bit of nick on it. I just wonder, was there a little abrupt change? And the suggestion that he was making.
As a spin bowler. Goes over the top again. Well, that's what he's been waiting for. And he...
Oh, gets that through. Coming to Mendes, you feel should have done better. He puts his hand.
Yeah, that's a little clumsy from Sri Lanka. Shubman Gill got to the pitch of the ball.
Here, over the top, well hit. Gain pounces on a little opportunity to skip down the wicket.
Got to the pitch of the ball and sends it over. If not,
अच्छा शॉट ये, बहुत ही बेहतरीन शॉट देवदत्त का।
pounced on that particle.
अगर कोई कहता है कि इस बल्लेबाज में टच नहीं है,
watch that go, watch it tease.
The ball is right. The ball didn't try to hit it too hard.
The ball had aged to about 40 overs, so this is the
Yosta. And this line will continue, and that's in the gap. Needed a dive out there. Asita Fernand bailed out. Loose delivery put away by Devdutt Padikkal.
You can see the frustration of the captain. He had said this is a very short ball, and he's such a good cutter. Padikkal, there were 3 feet outside off.
In the gap, yet again, carbon copy. In previous, I don't think Kesar Nuwanta is comfortable bowling outside the yaw stump, and with that boundary, brings out the... 2 is the call. Maybe more than 2 runs. And the field had slipped. 167, 44 from Gaul, and yet another half century in his young test career.
But he called 2 and got 4.
Line.
बढ़िया शॉट यहाँ पे, गैप मिल गया है। 50-50 था, लेकिन फाइनली रेस बॉल ही जीती।
Oh, the edge for Shubman Gill. Asita Fernando, he was looking for runs there. Angelo Matthews is just telling you, batting on face, just pokes at this. Look at Niroshan Dickwella.
Shubman Gill gone for 50 of 108 balls, 186 for 3.
3.6 in this World Test Championship cycle. He scored more runs for an Indian batter than anybody else. Now, how close? Celebrating. Everybody on the ground, other than the 2 batters, and the arms of the umpire might have taken it away. But within a
checking
field
front
like
foot,
that,
it's a fair delivery.
Have to
go for it. 187 for 3.
So let's take a look at how that ball would have for a big one. Keshra was dismissed. In walked KL Rahul, who was neat to take on.
Spinners coming into the game quietly. 2 wickets for Jis. Bonnie Mokel grumpy.
From time to time, he pitches it short, and Devdutt Padikkal has taken full advantage.
That's control. Why hit it hard? You hit it hard, you'll hit the sweep on the boundary there.
Back out. The headline is so high, that's a short delivery. And Askinway put away, and Ravinder, there was no stopping that.
What an outing for this man in Sri Lanka. Started off with that warm-up game.
Harsha, I'm happy that I've played 119. I have no regrets. Come back for 2.
Had it covered. Either that was far too easy. Just tossed up, and he had the time to repair a cover drive, but that area was well tenanted.
What a shot by Yoff.
From time to time, the dropping shot, and his back foot game is goal as well. Goes again off the back foot, again using those wide open. How quickly he's using that width and the space. And he gets another 100 there. That Padikkal is making a wonderful habit of converting from the 100 in goal, and 100 built on patience, almost on denial. What a supreme, and he'll be proud of this one. So different from the last time I came. It's a beautiful day, blue skies. Hopefully the rain stays away.